How to fix Clydesdale Bank app not working. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If your Clydesdale Bank app is not working, then there are a couple of things that you can do. The first step is you want to restart your device and check. Sometimes when there is any glitches on your applications, you want to restart your device and then check if that fixes your issue. If not, you want to tap and hold on the Clydesdale Bank app, then tap on this I button. That's going to open up the settings. Now from here, tap on the storage option, then tap on the clear cache option. Now tap on clear data. Tap on the delete option to delete all the data of your Clydesdale Bank application. Once that is done, open up the Clydesdale Bank app, log into your account and check if that fixes your issue. If not, you simply want to head over to Play Store and on the search bar, you want to search for Clydesdale Bank app. Now, if there is update option there, you simply want to tap on it and update the application to the latest version. That is going to fix any bugs on the app and also give you new features. Once your application has been up to date, log into your account and check if your application is working well. If it is still not working well, then you want to uninstall your app. For that, tap and hold on the Clydesdale Bank app. Now tap on the uninstall button. Tap on OK for confirmation. Once the application has been uninstalled, head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Clydesdale Bank app and install it again. Once you do that, you should be able to use the Clydesdale Bank application without any problem. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.